collecting payments online is very easy with Razorpay. But what if every payment could automatically trigger actions across multiple apps? Imagine this. Whenever someone makes a payment through Razorpay, the system automatically sends them a confirmation message or email, add their details to Google Sheets, enrolls them into the particular course they have purchased, or even send them the access to your Discord channel or something like that, completely automatically. In this video, I'll show you how you can integrate Razorpay with Pabbly Connect and how you can use a simple automation flow to automate your entire payment process. Once you understand the single workflow, you can connect Razorpay with dozens of different applications and automate your entire payment process. So whether you want to automate order management, course access, CRM updates, or notifications, this single integration can help you build multiple powerful automations without coding. So let's dive in and build the Razorpay automation step by step using Pabbly Connect. And now let's see how we can create this amazing automation. So to create this, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you are going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can add up to 100 of payment details to your sheets, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. We are only going to add few details in our spreadsheet because this is just an example to learn how to integrate Razorpay payment gateway. Okay, so now for that, this is the workflow builder and this is the most important window. And this is the most important window because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this, you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, search for Razorpay and select Razorpay over here. After you select the trigger application, for the event, select it as payment captured and click on this connect. Now we have received this webhook URL, so just copy this webhook URL and open your Razorpay app. From the left end of the site, go on this account and settings. After you come on this account and settings, what you have to do, you have to look for webhooks and select webhooks. Click on this add new webhook button. Now for the webhook URL, simply paste the URL which you copied from the workflow. For the secret and alert email, if you want, you can definitely enter this, otherwise leave it as blank. For the active events, select it as payment captured. This is very important, and click on this create webhook button. Now this webhook is created successfully. Now you can see we have successfully added this webhook URL. Now after adding the webhook URL, we have created the connection between Razorpay and Pabbly Connect, but it is still saying waiting for webhook response. So let's just capture this webhook response. For that, open your Razorpay and you have to go on the payment pages from the left end of the site and just copy a payment page and open it in a new tab. So okay, this is the payment page. So now let's just purchase this product as dummy user. So okay, let's just enter the details. First of all, for the full name, I'm going to keep it as dummy user, email as dummy@pabblytudes.com. For the phone number, I am going to keep it as this. For the course, let's select it as AI automation and click on this pay 999. Once we're going to click on this pay 999, it is asking for the payment method. So let's select the payment method as UPI, enter the UPI ID and click on this verify and pay. Now it is saying open your Razorpay app and complete the payment. So let's just wait for a few seconds, complete the payment. It is saying confirming payment. Okay, so let's just wait and you're going to say yes, the payment is successful. We have successfully purchased this course as dummy user. So now let's open our workflow. Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same right over here. So we just have to wait for a few seconds till Pabbly is capturing the response for the same. Till then, I'll just let you know that my Razorpay account is in test mode over here. That's the reason I entered the dummy UPI ID and completed this payment. Okay, so let's just wait for a few seconds till Pabbly is capturing the response over here. Now you can see we have successfully received the response over here, and the details are exactly the same which we entered during the test submission. Now we're going to add these details in our Google Sheets over here. Okay, so to do this, what you have to do is just close this and click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for Google Sheets and select the same right over here. For the event, select it as add new row and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then sign in with Google. Now select the Gmail account with the help of which you want to build this connection. After you select the Gmail account, Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions. So click on this allow, give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for because your data is 100% safe with us, no need to worry. Now Google Sheets is connected with Pabbly Connect. After creating this connection, you have to select the spreadsheet. So this is the name of my spreadsheet, which is Razorpay payments. So I've selected the same, and then you have to select the same sheet. After selecting both of this, you have to move on further and one by one enter all of these details. But over here is a hack that you don't have to enter the details manually by typing it like this, but instead you have to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So make sure to select the same spreadsheet and the sheet in which you want to add the details and then map the details one by one. So put a slash, search for the detail which you wish to map and map it like this. So I'm going to map the name, order ID, email and phone number. So let's just map the details one by one so that we can add these details in our Razorpay. For the payment method, let's just map UPI and then you have to click on this save and send test request. We have received the positive response that the details are added in my Google Sheets. So let's open the Google Sheets and the details are added. Not only this, but like I showed in the starting of this video, whenever we're going to receive a new payment from this payment page, instantly the details will be added in my Google Sheets. So like this, you can integrate Razorpay payment gateway with Pabbly Connect, and not only Google Sheets but like this, or you can say using the same logic, you can connect many more applications. You can connect your CRM, send emails, send WhatsApp messages, give access to your course and much more. If you want any dedicated video connecting Razorpay with any particular application, you can request for that in the comment section below. Same, if you have any doubts, you can request that in the comment section below. Don't forget that the workflow URL of this workflow is attached in the description box below. And further, I'll suggest you go and try Pabbly Connect today because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you want more automation tips, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, everyone. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.